welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the Credit Karma app in 2025 to determine whether it still holds its place as the top free credit tracking tool. With financial technology constantly evolving, it's important to know if Credit Karma continues to offer real value in monitoring and improving your credit score. Credit Karma has long been known for providing free access to your credit reports and scores, along with personalized financial recommendations. In 2025, the app has undergone a few notable updates. The user interface is more streamlined and easier to navigate, with faster loading times and more responsive features. One of the most useful improvements is real-time credit monitoring, which alerts you instantly if there are any significant changes to your credit report, such as a new account opening or a hard inquiry. The app still offers access to credit scores from TransUnion and Equifax, two of the major credit bureaus. While it doesn't include your Experian score, having 2 out of 3 can still give you a solid overview of your credit health. In addition to credit monitoring, the app also includes tools like a credit score simulator, personalized loan and credit card offers, and tips to improve your financial standing based on your profile. One thing to keep in mind is that Credit Karma's business model relies on recommending financial products, which means you'll see a fair amount of promotional content. However, these offers are personalized and often useful, especially if you're actively looking to build or manage credit. In terms of accuracy, Credit Karma's scores use the Vantage Score model, which may differ slightly from the FICO score that many lenders use. Still, it provides a reliable general picture of where you stand and is updated frequently enough to keep you informed. Overall, Credit Karma in 2025 remains a strong choice for anyone looking to monitor their credit without paying a subscription fee. Its user-friendly design, timely alerts, and helpful financial tools make it a top contender in the free credit tracking space. If you're serious about staying on top of your credit, it's definitely worth trying out.